Welcome back to Nick's Allotment. It's Sunday the 15th of September. Today I'm going to be getting me potatoes out, and I've treated myself to a pair of gloves, because I usually use disposable gloves, and I think it's just a waste of money keep buying those, and it's not very fair on the environment with the old plastic going on. I'll show you what I bought, and I've got these off. There's a couple of internet sites you can get them off, and I'll show you what I got. These ones are like lightweight, they're pretty flexible, so these ones I'll be using today, and these are ones for the winter. So these are thermal lined, a bit more heavy duty, so those are what I've got. So right, let's crack on and get some potatoes out. Right, this variety is Picasso. Plenty of misshapen stuff. Not the best crop I've ever had. A bit better. Right, I'm going to crack on, get these out. I'll bring you back when I go on the next row. Right, the next variety is Rudolph. It's always a surprise digging potatoes, you never know what you're getting. Right, I'll crack on getting these out, folks. I'll bring you back when I get to the next row. Right, finally got all the potatoes out, bar the sarpomeras. I'll leave them in for another couple of weeks. I might cut the tops off. And these are all the ones I've speared with a fork. So I just want chucking away, or I might just sort them out. So the first row are Picasso. Second row is Rudolph. That's Cecile. Just take her up and show you. That's Victoria. Got a few ratties. I thought I took all the ratties out, but I couldn't have. Here we have a few Harmony. I think they're Harmony. Yeah, Harmony. And then we have a few Winston. So that's all my potatoes for 2019, bar I've got one lot of potatoes in a bucket down in compost trial. So I'll show that another day. So right, I'm just going to bag these up and then I'll bring you back. Right, so there we go, that's all my potatoes bagged up, ready to take home. These ones I shall use first, these are all split. Now just a few ratties. So there we go, that's 2019's potatoes. Right, these are my tomatoes, they're blight resistant. The first three are Crimson Crush. The middle one is Sun Gold. It's not blight resistant, as you can see it's got blight. And the second three are Mountain Magic, and they haven't got blight, so it just shows you there's that many tomatoes on here, it's pulled them off the string. So that's good news with those, not getting blight. And also my potatoes here, they've started getting blight. So it's time to start cutting the tops off. You can see, got a bit of blight in there, look. And down the stems, so they all need cutting off before it travels down in the tubers. I think there's plenty of potatoes on there, the worst part, because it's no dig, I hadn't got them covered up, so there's quite a few green ones in there. And I think I'm going to have to put one foot on it. Right, cut all the tops off. The only trouble is, because you couldn't see the potatoes through the tops, a lot of the potatoes, they've gone green for being on the top because there's that many potatoes. So I'm just going to have to scratch some of this soil up, just cover them, but I think, I don't know if they'll be saved or not. Should have kept my eye on them more and took some compost over them when they was growing. I shall leave those for 2 or 3 weeks and then I'll have them out. Yummy. Got one down there. Lovely. Lovely and sweet. Right, we're going to harvest a bit of sweet corn on the no dig bed. I'm going to harvest some on the other bed, but I won't show you that. But on the no dig bed, we haven't got many weeds on there. As you can see, I've hardly pulled any weeds. I ain't going to say there's going to be no weeds next year, they'll probably be covered. As you can see, what seeds could probably come from next door, but never mind. Right, so let's pick a few sweet corn. Have a look. Hope they're ready. Yeah. Yeah, I feel milky. They're just starting to sink in a little bit, so I think it's time they got put in the freezer. Right, I'll get on and pick a few. I've just seen the biggest bee I've ever seen on a sunflower. I'll take you and show you. Just have a look at this, folks. What about this, folks? This is my conference pear tree. I never had one pear this year, and it's coming up towards the end of September. Two pears there, and just got blossom coming as well. I think it's forgot what time of year it is. Might have a pear for Christmas. Italian friend's going to have, so he eats a lot more than me, and as long as he leaves me a few what I want for me eating in salads and whatever. So, and also this is what we picked from around the allotment today, so just show you what we've got. So we've got a nice lot of tomatoes. These are just mixed to take home for salads. A lot of sweet corn. This is probably even quarter of what we've got. This is all lark at the moment. Picked a few carrots. These are sweet candle, but I was really late planting them. A few apples. These are Spartan. Nice bunch of grapes. A bit of Greek basil. A bit of Italian basil. That's Marathon Calabrese. These are Mountain Magic tomatoes. These are Crimson Crush. These are Zabroon onions, and these are Toscas, like the white equivalent. And these are Isabel Rose onions. I think I'll be growing those again. They're quite a nice onion. This is yep, what garlic's that then? That is Marco, yeah. And then we've got a few aubergines, I can't remember what variety. We've got a few chilies, peppers, what else we got? Bit of rosemary, that's to go with tomorrow's dinner. Knock some on the floor. Right, so this weekend coming. It's Malvern Autumn Show with all the giant vegetables and exhibition flowers. So I'm going to be going there, hopefully join up with a few other YouTubers. So hopefully to catch up with a few of those. So if you're going, like to say hello, just call up, we don't bite. So that's it for this one, folks. Till next time, thanks for watching. Ta-ra.